Hi everyone, it's James. Are you going to be teaching any first-year junior high students? If you are, then watch this video. The presentation that I'll be talking about is the be verb. In Japanese, that is be doshi. I'm on slide 2. Present tense verb, genzai doshi. Singular, tansu. Am, is. Plural, fukusu. Are. I'm on slide 3. Contractions. I am equals I'm. He is equals he's. She is equals she's. It is equals it's. That is equals that's. They are equals their. You are equals your. We are equals were. Slide 4. About you. 1. I am a boy. Girl. 2. I am 13 years old. 3. I am tall. Short. 4. I am strong. Weak. 5. I am from Japan. 6. I am in the first year. 7. I am hungry. Slide 5. 1. That is my favorite song. 2. That is my bag. 3. This is my little brother. 4. That is Mr. Jones, the new teacher. 5. This is my watch. 6. This is my bike. Slide 6. About another boy or girl. 1. Paul is my friend. 2. She is my younger sister. 3. He is my teacher. 4. Jenny is in my class. 5. He is tall. Short. 6. Willie is funny. Smart. Hito is in the school's basketball team. Slide 7. About animals or objects. 1. The book is near my desk. 2. It is a very big apple. 3. The monkey is funny. 4. It is a pen. 5. There is a dog in the park. 6. The sky is beautiful. 7. Red is my favorite color. Slide 8. 1. They are brothers. 2. John, David, and Joe are the fastest runners. 3. We are learning English. 4. We are Japanese. 5. You are Canadian. 6. You are James, right? 7. You are the new teacher, right? Slide 9 is an example of something that you can put together yourself. Put the correct verb tense. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.